Good morning, good morning. This is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Today we're going to do a quick overview of Stage, the social engagement marketing platform, and how it works to generate business connections and leads for you. Let me start off by saying, what do you call a website that has no traffic? I call it useless. I've been using Stage now for 4 years to pull in all my traffic, all my visitors. You can use it for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google+. You got Instagram, you got Pinterest. There's a whole bunch of social marketing platforms that it'll work with, and you got billions of people. So let's get down to the good stuff and give you a little overview of how Stage works to generate business connections. First of all, we're going to talk about how to optimize your Twitter bio description. Very important. We're going to go into that in detail. Number 2, how to use the Twitter Builder and the Staged Managed Twitter service to generate your follower list, to drive traffic and leads. That's very important, but you got to do it in order. Number 3, we're going to show you how to post valuable content on a daily basis to your Twitter accounts that we just built. And number 4, we're going to use our social inbox to engage and respond. So we're going to show you how to do that. So let's get started here on number 1, how to optimize your Twitter bio description. This is very important because if people don't get a good overview of what you're doing, you need to stand out from the clutter. So why is your bio description so important? When you follow someone else, and before they even follow you back, they probably look at your picture, your profile, your notifications. They're basically checking you out. But when you post something interesting to people, they will go to your bio and just look around. They're curious. Number 3 there, when you retweet, favorite another person's tweets, it'll show up in their notifications. That's really important. And often in their email, and many will check out your bio. So now do you see why the bio is so important to get set up? And we're going to show you exactly what we're talking about. Right here is an example of a bio, and I'm going to read it to you. Explode your Twitter followers, generate real leads and traffic, and create instant content. Get your free account here. But you'll notice something really important. He put a # in front of the keywords. Those are called hashtags. So that means a copy of this is going to go out on the internet where people are searching on Twitter or leads or traffic, and this will automatically come up. So hashtags are very important as a part of your bio in the advertising, and you must have a call to action. And you can see that right there. Free account. Basically click here. Now on the Twitter bio, it has a place for your website. You do want to put it there too, but you always want to put it in your description. Trust me, I can triple my traffic by putting in hashtags like that. So what that means is when somebody searches and they're clicking or hovering their mouse over a profile, all that information is going to come up where it's simple one-click access to the link that you want them to set it to. So there's another trick that we're going to show you right here. And a lot of people don't know that. Once you set up your profile, which is right underneath the picture, you highlight it, you copy it, and then you go up on Twitter and it says tweet. Well, you're going to copy and paste that and tweet it out one time. It's going to be right here on your wall, but you'll notice right there's 3 dots. And I'm going to read this to you. After you tweeted your bio description, click on the 3 dots and then click pin to your profile page to lock that tweet at the top so it is the first thing a prospect sees. What that means is a lot of times people are sending out Twitter posts and it pushes this down. Well, if you're smart and you pay attention right here, the 3 dots will pin it to the top so it never gets pushed down. So even it's kind of like a duplicate of your profile right there. And that's pretty valuable to have. So what we want to do, number 2, is follow people in your niche so that your optimized bio will appear in their Twitter notifications. Very important, especially when you're driving qualified traffic and you're looking for opt-in leads. You want that traffic to come back. So you can use our Twitter Builder Tour, or you can use the Managed Twitter service, $5 a month, to have the Stage system build it for you. For brand new people, I highly recommend. I mean, I started out with 1 Twitter follower, just like everybody else does, but you can do it manually. But for $5 a month, especially for new people, let the system, build your account for you. So the next thing we want to do is show you exactly how, the Twitter Builder, when you log into your Stage account, it's under Grow Audience. It's not visible right away, but when you click there, Social Profiles is where you put in all the information to integrate it with your social, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. But Twitter Builder, right there, you want to click on it, and then that will actually go in and show you how, with one click of a mouse, you can engage the automatic system. And let me give you a little word of advice. Anytime you can automate a process, automate it. Even if it costs you $5 for the whole month to have your Twitter account build, you should do that, because that's one less thing that you need to worry about or learn. Why not have somebody else do it for you? So number 3, you want to post valuable content on a daily basis. Keyword, be consistent to your Twitter accounts and to keep yourself at the top of your prospects' minds. If you're not doing something consistently, they just forget about you. So what you do to do that is you use our Stage It button to do it manually, or you can use the automated content creator, which is part of the premium account. So let's get in and show you how that works. Right at the top, when you go to YouTube and you find a YouTube video, the Stage system puts a little Stage It button at the top. You simply click it and it pulls up this little window. And all you're going to do is click on Stage It, and it will automatically pull in the URL link, the description, and it will automatically put that in there. So what you can do for the automated system, you simply go back to YouTube and look for the channel. Look where it says video. Every video that you see on YouTube is part of a channel, some person's channel. So all you do is you click on, you can see right there, you've got all your social markets engaged by clicking these pull-down menus. You click on Target by Channel. You click on Add Channel. It opens up a brand new box. You go to YouTube, find the video, the channel, and then click on Video, copy that link right there, and then hit the little green check mark. And you'll notice that it works when you see videos 35 for this example. What that means is within that channel, that customer or that person on YouTube has got 35 videos. Don't worry about the use 0 because it's brand new. As the automated system pushes it out, that used will increase from 1 to 2 to 3 and start using up all 35 channels. But you'll notice that, remember I said that the automated premium account does 1,000 videos a month, which is about 33 a day. So you can click on this little pull down menu and choose 33, and you'll notice that you can also control the time. Now I let it run all day long because, when you're in the social world, when you're sleeping, half the world's awake. So you could set it up where it's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You totally customize this part of it. And this allows you to go in, automatically pull all the videos from a channel. It will automatically push it out right there. You control the amount, you control the time, and when you close this window, it will automatically do everything within a few hours. It'll start putting it in a queue, and then you can see it all working under My Stages. Now, what does it do? It grabs the video from the YouTube channel. You're telling it what campaign it's to be surrounded by. A campaign, a good analogy is a newspaper. A newspaper has content and then surrounded by banner ads. Stage, the content is the video, and it's surrounded by your banner ads. That's being pushed out to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. They're actually seeing a static graphic of the video along with the title. So if it's something of interest to the people, funny, interesting, educational video, please do not put boring videos there. And they go, wow, this is great. I want to click on that link to see what this video is about. They're going to be attracted right back to your stage website, and now they start snooping. That's what I call it. They start snooping around the different banner ads. And that's how, just like a grocery store, they send out flyers on Wednesday. The only function of a flyer is to get you to the store. Well, once you're in the store, now you may have gone for one thing, but I bet you anything you're snooping and you're seeing what else is in the store that you might need. So what you want to do from that point on is engage and respond to your audience. And that's done right here on the engagement area. That pulls in all the activity from your different social medias, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all that type of stuff, and puts it in one central spot. So it's all surrounded by one database. You got all the image libraries, you got all the videos from the YouTubes, you got all the connections to the social media, and this is just one big system that's very valuable for 14 cents a day. So as a recap, what we just did is we wanted to make sure that you understand how to optimize your Twitter bio description. Very important. Spend some time there so your offer has a clear and attractive call to action. Remember I said put your link, your URL, not below your profile, but also in addition in your profile. So when people hover, check you out, so to speak, they will have an easy way to go to your website. Number 2, using the Twitter Builder or our managed Twitter service for $5 a month. Highly recommended for brand new people. What that's going to do is allow you to build your Twitter list. Think of a newspaper. You're doing millions of dollars of infrastructure to put out a newspaper, but you only got 2 subscribers. You don't want to do that. You want to build your subscriber base first. Then you want to do number 3, post valuable content. Like I said, you can do it manually, or what I prefer to do is I do it automatically. So we have 4 different packages you can start with. You have a free account, which will help you do number 2, build your Twitter list. We have a intro package for $9 that allows you to test out the system with one stage. And then when you need more, we have a basic system for $49, which is less than $2 a day. And that allows you to do a little bit more. Then we got the unlimited system, which allows you to offer unlimited stages, unlimited bandwidth, a whole bunch of choices there. $99 a month, $3 a day. What would you pay for all of this, for $3 a day or 14 cents an hour? And then number 4, it allows you to engage and respond to all your followers through the engagement system. So that's been a recap of what the Stage platform does in a nutshell. There's a lot more that goes on behind the scenes, and when you decide to start using Stage, either as a free account, a $9 intro account, a $49 basic account, or the premium $99 package, your trainer will get back to you and help you set up everything. This has been David Lundgren here at the Digital Design Center. Hopefully this gave you a pretty good overview of what Stage can do. There's a lot more that you're going to find out, and now you're going to see why I've been using this for 4 years. This is a very valuable tool, and remember this one thing I've already said: what do you call a website with no traffic? It's called useless. So don't get stuck in that area. Think of how many people around you have websites. There's billions of people. and they're doing it the old school way. And just ask them, how do you attract 100 visitors to your website within an hour, within a day? They can't even answer you. So I can go in there and help many of my clients set this up. Most of them already have a Facebook page. They already got followers. They already have a Twitter. They already have LinkedIn. You know, whatever they have, you can go in there and start showing them how to integrate YouTube, how to integrate the social markets, and how to set up these stage websites to attract the traffic, get them in your store like a grocery store, and then show them what you're marketing around the content video. So hopefully you've learned enough to, like I said, to be a little bit more dangerous. It works really good. Have a great day.